Hello, welcome to my Sunday front. Today I'm going to be making a giant sandwich, and it's just cold cuts. And so for the ingredients, I have seasonings. I have black pepper, I have Italian seasoning, I have crushed red pepper, I have this Tabasco sauce, I have sandwich spread and horseradish mustard. And I also have some lemon juice. And for the filling, I have this cheese right here and this bologna. And I have this big rolls. It's just rolls, but you're supposed to pull them apart. It says yeast rolls. So I have that, and let's get started. So I just got this from the store, so it's pretty fresh, and everything was like on sale, so I have another recipe coming up, so I hope you guys stick around for that recipe. Now I'm just gonna cut it in the middle. You can see that. And just go as deep as you want in there, and just keep spinning it in a circle. And then kind of like, you see there's still bread that hasn't been cut, so just stick your knife through until it's clean, and then go around again, make a cut in the middle. Just keep going around, and here go through where it hasn't been sliced, and it shouldn't be too messy, but there's crumbs that fall, so just keep going until you get two pieces like this. Oop. Let's put this piece here and work our way that way. So for the bottom, I think I'm gonna put some, start on the bottom, and let me spread it evenly. See this horseradish mustard, but you can use whatever you want. I have honey mustard too, but I like horseradish mustard because it has more flavor. And so there's that. Now for that part, I think I'm gonna put let's see, I'm gonna put some black pepper on there. Some of this black pepper, just enough, like that. Yeah, that's enough for me. And then for the top, this top right here, I'm gonna put sandwich spread on it. It's right here. And like I said, you can use whatever you got. You can just use whatever mayonnaise you have, or however you like it. And just kind of just get it in there and get nice and creamy. Just like a coating. That way it's like a barrier between the bread, and it gives some moisture to the sandwich. And there you go. That's all done. And so, this, I like to put seasonings in it. So I put some Italian herbs on the top. like that. And I got this lemon juice, and all I do is I get a little thing of lemon juice like this, and I just like pour it like that, and you can get the knife and spread it more like that. You see that? It's like magic. Just rehydrate the herbs a little bit. And so next I have this cheese. And get out some slices. Start laying them on. I'd say it takes about 5 to fill this guy up. And so next is this meat. Let's see, how do I open this meat? It says peel here. Hope you guys have been listening to me. I'm talking really low. I'm sorry. I'm so focused right now. Okay. So it says peel here. So of course you fold it like that. Fold it back, and it should split in half like so. And you will be able to open it easier. Okay, I don't have my nails in, but I can make me a sandwich real fast. Alright. And okay. And I'll move this out of the way. Bring back the bottom. And for the bottom, let's see, I'm gonna put thick slices of bologna. You see how thick that is? Thick slices of bologna. And this took about 4 slices. So 4 slices of bologna. Now to that, I'm gonna add some hot sauce, like that, and also some crushed red pepper, and I guess just spread it on the meat. Get under in the nooks and crannies so that way it can all have flavor, the meat. People don't think about that, but I always think about that. I don't like to just leave it plain. And so far so good. And then what I like to do is I like to put it back in the package. Like that. And you can set this in your fridge and set this in your fridge for like a few minutes, and it'll like harden, and you can just slice it up like that. If not, you want to serve it right away, you can just serve it right away. Just you can just serve them in slices, however you want. Like this. One line, another line, the other way, and so I'll just taste this one, this little piece right here. Perfect sandwich. Very worth it. So good. I only spent like $5 to make this. Delicious, guys. So you can serve them as finger foods, or you can serve them, you know, as the main dish. So hope you guys like it, and see you guys again.